The fundamentals of set notation in 164 seconds. Let's go. This, guys, is a topic which people always forget to revise, but it comes up a lot. So let's have a look. The question asks us to fill in these sets below. We're told that the universal set contains these numbers, the set A contains these numbers, and the set B contains these numbers. What are we going to do? First off, we want to find the set A apostrophe. Now, this apostrophe is going to mean not. So we want the set which is the set not A. So we want to find all of the numbers which are in our universal set, but are not in A. 1, that wouldn't be in our not A set because it's also in A, so we can cross that out. What about 2? That's in A, so that's not going to count. 4, we can see that that is in our universal set, but it's not in A, so that is going to count. 5, we can see that are in both. We can see that 8 is only in our universal set, and we can cross off 11 because that's in both of them. So the set not A is going to be the numbers 4, 8. Let's write those in. We have 4 and 8. That is going to be the set not A. What about this next one? We want the set A and B. That's going to be A and B. This sign in the middle, guys, means and. So we're going to want to find the numbers which are in set A and in set B. What are they going to be? We can see that 1 is in only A, so that's not going to be, but 2 is in both. We can say that 4 is only in B, so that's not going to count, but 5 is in both, and finally 11 is also in both. So the set A and B, what's that going to be? It's going to be 2, 5, 11. Let's get that written in. We have 2, we have 5, and we have 11. Next up, guys, we have A, and then this weird looking shape, and then B. That is actually going to mean or. We can think of this as being like a bucket, which fits everything in. So this is going to mean A or B, and that's going to be, guys, containing all of the numbers which are either in A, or in B, or in both of them. We can see then that we're going to have the numbers. What are they going to be? We're going to have 1, we're going to have 2, we're going to have 4, we're going to have 5, and we're going to have 11. Double check and see that you're happy with that. Next up, we want the set, and this one's going to be a bit confusing, but don't worry, we're going to make it clear. A and B not. So we want to find, in other words, all of the numbers which are not in A and B. We've already found the set A and B, guys. It contained 2, 5, and 11. So we want all of the numbers which aren't these numbers. What's that going to be then? Going back to our universal set, we're going to have all of the numbers in here which aren't 2, 5, or 11. What's it going to be? It's going to be 1, it's going to be 4, and it's going to be 8. They're going to be the only numbers which aren't in A and B. Finally, A or B not. What are we going to do? We're going to go back to our A or B set, and we're going to look for any numbers that are in our universal set but aren't in A or B. What are they going to be? We can see that 1, 2, 4, 5, and 11 are in A or B, so the only number actually is going to be 8. That's going to be the only one which is in our universal set but isn't in the set A or B. So, guys, our final answer is going to be 8.